Hey friends, if you wish to defragment your hard drive on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for defragment and then go to defragment and optimize drives. Select the drive which you wish to defragment. Now we have two options here. One is to analyze and one is to optimize here. In my case, this one is grayed out, but in some cases it may not be grayed out. But to defragment it, you will have to click on optimize. But what does defragmentation do? You can optimize your drives to help your computer run more efficiently or analyze them to find out why they need to be optimized. So if you want to analyze, you can do that, but usually everyone needs to optimize it. So I clicked on the optimize option and it is trimming. It will need a while and then it is done. I mean, it says okay, which means 0 days since last time, which means that it has been optimized here. So that's the thing. This is how you can defragment your drive. Now I will try opening it after closing this one. So I will go to the file manager, file explorer, sorry. Then I'll go to D drive and yes, I still have everything here. So this is how it is, and I can delete this temp folder as well. So this is how we can do it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.